I'm going to make a bold claim. Sourdough cinnamon rolls are better than the original. Period. Today, I'm proving it with this 12-rolled batch that disappears in 10 minutes at my house. Watch until the end to see the crumb pull. It's incredible. Do you prefer cream cheese icing or a simple glaze? Let me know in the comments while we prep the dough. In a medium mixing bowl, add 150 grams of active sourdough starter and 150 grams of lukewarm milk, 50 grams of sugar, 6 grams of sea salt, 70 grams of melted and cooled butter. Add 1 whole egg and mix it well. Slowly add 400 grams of bread flour as you mix it. The secret is to add the flour slowly to prevent major dry spots or lumps. Mix it until the dough is uniform, and with wet hands, smooth its sides, forming a round shape. Cover and let it rest for 1 hour at room temperature. It's time to lightly knead the dough. Transfer the dough to a clean workspace. Use one hand to anchor the edge nearest to you. With the heel of your other hand, firmly push the center of the dough away from you in a smooth, rolling motion. Knead it for 8 to 10 minutes. This step will increase the softness of your final baked product. Now, rotate the dough, using your 4 fingers to tuck its edges, forming a ball. This step creates adequate surface tension that will strengthen the dough as it rests at bulk fermentation. Place it back in the bowl, cover it, and let it rest until it doubles in size. In a separate bowl, add 100 grams of softened butter, 100 grams of brown sugar, and 7 grams of ground cinnamon. Mix it until it turns into a paste. Coat your baking pan with butter. This will prevent the rolls from sticking to it and will add some flavor. It has doubled in size in 6 hours. Fermentation times may vary depending on the inside temperature of your home. Place it on a clean counter and carefully spread open the dough evenly. In a rectangular shape, keep the thickness between 1/2 inch and 3/4 of an inch. Keeping the thickness at those measurements will produce an airy and soft dough. Watch till the end and see it for yourself. Spread the sugar, butter, and cinnamon evenly onto the dough, leaving a 1/2 inch area bare on the bottom edge so that it will stick and seal the rolls when you roll up the dough. Roll it up from the top down. Make sure to roll it up evenly and tightly throughout. As you finish rolling it up, flip it upside down and seal the edges. With a sharp knife, slice the dough into 1 1/2 inch rolls. This recipe will produce 12 rolls. Place them on your baking pan, cover them, and let them rest till they double in size. For the glaze, add 60 grams of milk and 200 grams of powdered sugar. Mix it till it becomes uniform. Place it aside for now. Bake the rolls for 35 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. The smell of cinnamon is in the air. If you can smell it, let me know in the comments. My favorite part, besides eating it of course, it's time to pour glaze over hot cinnamon rolls. By pouring the glaze while the rolls are still hot, you will soak them and make them even softer and more flavorful. I don't know about you, but I can't wait any longer. They are soft, gooey, and delicious. Thanks for watching. If you find this content helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.